Hello and welcome to MBDrone. My name is Matthew Bingham, and today I'll be going over a battery that I just received today that I ordered. I've been looking for some 3S batteries, and I've used multiple different companies before. I currently use the GNB, which I have right here. This is a 550 milliamp hour 3-cell battery. I've been trying to find one that I can get for a cheaper price and also get the same durability and length that I can get out of the GNB. So I'm going to be using the Venom. I have used Venom previously. Basically this is a Venom battery and a 3D printed case for my drone that I currently have that I fly. It is the Unique Q500. So it's a much larger battery. It's a 5,100 milliamp hour battery, this one here specifically. But basically what it did is it replaced the Unique battery that was installed on it originally for the Q500. And this battery here, it was hard to pick up for under $100. You know, sometimes you can get it for $80, but up to $120 for this battery. And you know, with my budget and stuff like that, I just couldn't afford buying a ton of these batteries. So I was able to do the 3D printed and this battery for under or right around $30, which, you know, to me is a great value. You can get 4 batteries for the price of one, basically. It does void the warranty, and I do know that, but for me it was worth it, and I haven't had any issues, and I've been flying the drone since 2017, so for about 3 years now. I'm more now flying the 3-inch FPV type birds, if you will. I really enjoy flying the 3-inch, real fast, quick, stuff like that. I do have some 5-inch and 6 and 7, but I find the most fun in the 3-inch range. Number one, because of price, and also, you know, the number of batteries that you need and stuff like that. It's much cheaper on a 3S than a 6S or, you know, 4S type battery. So that's my reasoning behind it, but I just thought I'd let you know that's what I am currently flying, and I enjoy it quite a bit. I'll have much more videos up here and other information on flying and what I do, and some pictures and some things that I've done as well. Another thing to mention is that, you know, there's a rubber band on this battery. I will put a link to Joshua Bardwell. He's in the FPV community, and he's very knowledgeable in this. I've learned a lot from him. You know, so there's a plug for him because he's just very knowledgeable and has helped me so much in my growth in FPV. But basically the rubber band, when it's on there, helps because it stops it from moving as much. So you don't have any if you don't have any type of grip or anything like that for your batteries, this helps a lot. If the rubber band's on it this way, it means that the battery has been charged and ready to go, and it also holds these extra connectors that are on there as well. Once the battery's been used and you're done flying and it needs to be charged, you just put the rubber band on that way and you're all set to go. But enough about the GNB batteries. The Venom battery here is in this packaging. It does have US support. It does come with a warranty, so if you do have issues with it or a defect and stuff like that, you can work with them and they'll replace the battery. I have not had that issue, and I've not had to go to that length yet, but I will be testing this battery out and see how it compares to the GNB. What it looks like when it comes out of the packaging is this here. It does have a little bit longer power lead on there, which I like, but you know, some people might not like that long of a lead. And it also comes with a balance port for charging. I also have a link that will be in the bottom of the actual location of where I got these batteries. Like I said, I was paying about $9, $9.99 for this battery itself. I also put a link to their website there. As I stated, I've not done a lot of testing on this battery. I just wanted to use something that would be hopefully as good as the GNBs when it comes to runtime and stuff like that, and I'll be doing some tests on this battery for that, as well as charging it, flying it, testing it along those lines as well. So the link to the actual page is going to be over here. It's Venom Power, but like I said, I will put a link in the bottom for this. I hope you enjoy this. I'll have many more videos coming out, and enjoy flying. We'll talk to you soon.